to me.
I can do anything. Is it really happening? I swear I'll never be happy again. Don't you think something's up there? The point that you can tell.
Where was you at?
He like, Ollie.
Oh, things amazing. Wait till I get home.
Wait. Spider-Man. Red and blue.
Some black
Strings coming out of my wrist. Spider-Man, oh, I wanna be a Spider-Man tonight. Oh, wanna be a Spider-Man tonight. Tonight.
Hit it, Mikey. Ollie.
Oh, Ringo. Hi, Ra.